How to download and install the Chess Mobile app on Android. Alright, let's get the Chess Mobile app onto your Android phone. It's super simple and we will do it together. First things first, grab your phone and unlock it. Now look for the Google Play Store. It's right over here. Simply tap on it and go inside it. Once the Play Store is open, you will see a search icon which is in bottom right corner over here. Simply tap on it, then tap on the search bar and search for Chess Mobile app right over here. Then tap on it. Then you will see a few results, but you are looking for the official one. It's called Chess Mobile and that has the blue octagon logo like that. And that's one is what you need. Simply tap on it and go inside the app info. And here you will see an option called install. Tap on it. Your phone will now download and install the app. This might take a minute depending upon your internet speed. You can see the progress right here on the screen. And once it is finished, the install button will change to open button. You can see it right over here. And that's it. You can tap on the open right from here or find the new Chess app icon on your home screen. You are all set to log in and start managing your accounts. Easy, right? Let me know in the comments if you got it installed. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.